Unraveling the Fun Phrase, for Grins. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a colloquial English phrase that you might hear in casual conversations. The phrase is, for grins. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. The phrase, for grins, is made up of two words. 1. For, a preposition indicating a purpose or reason. 2. Grins, the plural form of grin, which is a wide smile. When combined, these words don't literally mean, for the purpose of smiling. Instead, they take on a more idiomatic meaning. When someone says they are doing something for grins, they mean they are doing it for fun or as a joke. They aren't looking for any serious outcome or result from the action. It's just something they're doing to amuse themselves or others. For example, if someone says, "I wore this funny hat to the party for grins," they mean they wore the hat just to make people laugh, not because it was a necessary or functional choice of attire. Now that you know the meaning, let's look at some examples to understand how to use it. 1. I added some silly stickers to my notebook for grins. 2. Why did you try that spicy sauce? Just for grins. 3. They entered the talent show for grins, not expecting to win. Remember, the emphasis is on doing something for the sheer joy or fun of it. And there you have it. The phrase, for grins, is a fun way to say you're doing something just for the amusement or enjoyment of it. Next time you do something just for the fun of it, you can tell your friends you did it for grins. Hope you found this explainer helpful and entertaining. Until next time, keep grinning and learning.